Hey, what's up? I wanted to record this short video to let you know on a little tip for when you're buying links on any marketplace that's not vetted. So when you're buying guest posts or niche edits, a lot of people will tell you or advertise on their listings that it is done through blogger outreach. And most of them are lying, because if you see a link that's done through blogger outreach and the price per link is around $10, $15, $30, then I can assure you it is fake. And I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to run you through a couple of examples here and go through some of these sites so you can see exactly what I mean, and just by looking at the site you'll know exactly this is not done through blogger outreach, and you can essentially see that this is simply a link farm. Now, blogger outreach is essentially, and what Liam does right here is you send him your information, you send him your site. Say, for example, you have a site in the dental niche, you send him your anchor text, and Liam will go out, he'll search through the competition, he'll search through your niche and try to find sites that talk about your niche, that are powerful, that have traffic. For example, here, Liam finds sites that have at least 500 plus traffic per month with the DR, domain rating according to Ahrefs, or 20 or higher, so actual real sites, and you'll ask them or get in touch with them and ask them, hey, listen, can I post a link on your site to this site, right? Whether that's a guest post link where you need to write the content or a niche edit, you'll basically organically, through blogger outreach, through real blogger outreach, find link opportunities and post your link on these real sites to your site. Now, what some people do, and they use this sentence right here, blogger outreach, and they're lying when they do it. And the first sign of that is the price, because if you see them for $10, $15, $30, you'll know right out of the bat that it is a fake one. But then if, for example, they send you a list of samples. Now, this is yet another red flag, because how can you send them your site, your niche, your anchors, your all information, and it's impossible for them to get back to you within 10 minutes with a list of sites? Why is that? Because it shows essentially that they have a pre-made list of sites, right? They're not doing organic outreach to find niche relevant links or to find niche relevant opportunities, right? They're simply using the sites they've gathered throughout the years that they know they can post links on. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. For example, I'm sure Liam right here has made connections, let's say in the dental niche, and he knows if he gets multiple clients that send him dentist-based websites, that he can get in touch with these sites that he built on his network and ask them to post links on again, right? He doesn't have to be constantly trying to find new sites. However, what these guys do, and Liam doesn't even send you a list, because there's no point in sending a list, right? Because it is done through blogger outreach. These guys send you pre-made list, and again, that's the first big red flag. But let's say if we click on this link right here, first thing that you can notice, okay, at first glance it looks like a real site, has an SSL certificate, but then you scroll down, none of these social links actually work, right? None of these work, right? It's a big red flag. None of these work. They try to make the site look real by adding email, by adding an about us, by adding an SSL, but then the biggest selling, and they even add ads. This is a new one. They're starting to add ads to make the site look even more real. And yeah, this one is real. It's an actual real ad. But then the biggest selling thing is that they try to include every single category, right? They try to make these sites as generic as possible so they can include every single category. And this is, of course, to maximize the profit that each of these sites can do, right? So they send you a list of multiple sites. I can even open this one. I can open any of these sites. And they're all the same, right? They all have all of the niches, right? Because they want to maximize and sell links on these sites as much as they can. These are essentially link farms. Again, none of the socials work, right? None of these work, because I mean, this is a fake site. This is a link farm site, and essentially, yeah, they don't have any traffic. They don't have anything. I can even put it inside Ahrefs. I'm going to do this for you right now. Actually, let's try a different one. Let's see here. Let's do, I don't know, let's do this one, for example. Let's open it up. And again, as you can see, all the possible niches, categories to maximize the profit of the site. In this case, no socials at all. They have here the space for the ads. This is essentially a link farm. The sites all follow the same concept. Let's just put it in here to Ahrefs, and okay, this one does have some traffic, but again, you never know if this is bot traffic or not, because these guys do some shady stuff. Let's see here. Okay, as you can see, some shady type of keywords, right? These pages are ranking for, and again, you never know if the traffic they're sending here is fake or not. But let me just see here this page. Okay, page about the movies site movie download, I think. I mean, and I'm not saying that the posts that are on here are fake, because they're absolutely not. They're from people trying to get links, and eventually these pages rank for these terms. But as you can see, it's essentially a link farm of shady links, non-niche specific. The sites are quite shady. Some of them, let me see here, do have a bunch of spikes in the traffic. Yeah, look at this, right? It's not organic. This doesn't add up. No real site has this happening to it, right? The trend usually is either up or slowly down, but or there's no huge crashes happening right here, right? Same goes for organic keywords. You can even look at the backlink profile. Yeah, from here to here, they went from 38 backlinks to 2,500 backlinks. This is of course not organic, not real. These sites are not real. These are link farms, and hopefully with the tips I gave you, you can next time you're buying links, ideally you buy them from vetted, because on vetted we actually vet the professionals, and guys like Liam don't do these type of things. And yeah, I guess that's basically it. Hopefully this video helps you out when you're buying links. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon. Cheers.